Every month we do the price prediction or the monthly price prediction for the price of several coins, and last month we were saying that expect consolidation throughout the summer, basically June, July and August, and as we can see, everything happened exactly as predicted. Currently we have bought the bottom exactly on the channel in November of 2022, and we have predicted this move to the upside, and even the recent sideways action has been predicted exactly as predicted, and this is because of the Bitcoin rainbow chart. And the Bitcoin rainbow chart is just based on the halving cycles that usually after we see a halving cycle right there for Bitcoin, the crypto market usually experiences some months of consolidation, as you can see right here in 2013, before we see this push to the upside. The same thing happened right here in 2016. After the halving, which we saw right here, we saw some few months of consolidation and then a massive bull run. The same thing happened in 2020, March of 2020, where we saw the halving and then we saw some months of consolidation in the crypto market and then we saw a massive bull run. The same thing has happened in 2024. We just had the halving in about May/April of 2024, and we were saying expect a consolidation throughout the summer months, basically May, June, July and August, right? So we are expecting August should be the last month of consolidation before we see that massive breakout to the upside. So we are about to see the massive breakout to the upside, and as you can see, August is the last month you have to accumulate as much altcoins as possible. As you can see, every single time after the accumulation, we always saw this massive push to the upside. Same thing right here, consolidation, massive push to the upside, consolidation, massive push to the upside. And so if our template or our R-model is right, we should expect another massive push to the upside, and August, the month of August, is your last period to accumulate, as we are about to see the push to the upside. So currently we are going to be looking at our price prediction for the month of August. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So looking at the August price prediction right here for Arbitrum, we are on the chart for Arbitrum versus the USD Theta. On the weekly time frame, Binance is the data source, right? So for Arbitrum, we are going to be using our Fibonacci price prediction tool, drawing this right here from top to bottom, as you can see right here. And one of the things we can see right here for Arbitrum, basically right here, is that we could see that continuation right here to the bottom right here for Arbitrum in between this low, which was right here at the 57 cents level. We could continue right here just to consolidate in between that 57 and $81 level. You would remember we said according to the R-Model price prediction pattern, we could just see the summer just range stroke downward price action, and then by ending of August stroke September, we could see a push to the upside. Currently now for Arbitrum, we could still see that consolidation in between that 58 cents level into the 80 or the 75 cents level. We could see that consolidation before we continue to the top. For Arbitrum, we are expecting a full Fibonacci price prediction right here for the bull run. Basically, we are expecting the price to go as high as the $5.5 level if the model happens exactly as predicted. Now the model says after every halving consolidation, we see the bull run happened, halving, consolidation, bull run, halving, consolidation, bull run, right? So currently we have seen the halving. We're in this consolidation. We are expecting that push to the upside, right? So expect for Arbitrum right here, after this consolidation, we are about to see that push to the upside, expecting to see Arbitrum at around that $5.5 level. So that's our price prediction right here for Arbitrum. For the long run, for August, we are still expecting some little consolidation, so expect that in August. So thank you for watching and have a blessed day.